Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jimmy. This is Mind Beyond. I'm coming to you today, really quick video. I haven't had a chance to really record this week. I had my birthday, had my kid's birthday. I was feeling down around my birthday time. So this video is coming just a tad bit later, but I'm going to cover the Bitcoin portfolio, and I'm going to keep it strictly that. So it will be a really short video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. As you can see, for week 12, this is week 12. Today is February 9th, 2025. Shout out to the Eagles. They just won the Super Bowl. But the account balance right now is sitting at $1,031.28. I've actually invested $919.68. It's been over 12 weeks that I've been doing this, but this is just from when I started tracking it. Also, right now the profit is down to $111.60. We lost $58 this week, and that's basically 2 weeks of negative return so far. We're down profit wise to 12.13% from the time that I screenshotted that. Also, our total Bitcoin quantity right now is 1%. So we are at 1%. We have 1% of a Bitcoin. Okay. So that's a big milestone for us. And then right now, our average buying price is $86,368.61. And at the time, the total price, the current price of Bitcoin was like $96,900. So again, I'm gonna keep chugging along. I'm gonna keep, putting my $7.25 every single day. And yeah, I'm excited. I know we have pulled back a decent amount now. That it's kind of weird because crypto is supposed to be a breakaway from the big banks, the big institutions. Nothing is supposed to govern the price of Bitcoin. But it's just funny how, like, if anything political happens, like with President Trump announcing the tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico, soon as those things went into effect or announced, the price of Bitcoin dropped substantially. We were at to about, I think I want to say like maybe 107, 106 around that area, and then it pulled all the way back. I think at one point it dropped down to like 91,000, and then it rebounded back into the upper 90s. So just chilling right now at about 96,000. Great buying opportunity if you haven't bought. This is just what I'm doing. Great buying opportunity for me. So I'm continuously buying, and I'm loving that I can accumulate at these prices to keep my average buying price relatively low before we actually continue to make a move up higher. I'm pretty excited for what we're going to be doing throughout the year. I'm just looking forward to doing this. I can't wait till we see where we are after 1 year total invested into Bitcoin, and I'm really excited. So hopefully, there's potentially more counter tariffs that are going to come out within the next couple of weeks. We just have to see what happens. Honestly, there's so much going on right now politically. There's so much going on with the United States government that it's just causing, when we should be running right now in Bitcoin, we aren't. We're pulling back. There's a lot of uncertainty. The strategic crypto strike force, or whatever you want to call it, was announced, and they're going to be making waves to accumulate Bitcoin and get to a point where there's clear cut regulation for cryptocurrency in U.S. banking and the government. So I'm looking forward to all of that. Hopefully, we get some clarity on that, and we can continue to run up higher. I bought some more XRP. I'm gonna keep buying that. I bought some more XLM. Gonna keep buying it. I bought some H bar. I'm gonna keep running those up. And then for my meme plays, I bought some bunk. I actually need to buy some Trump meme. I think it's down to like $16 right now, something like that. So I do want to buy some Trump meme, but not a lot, just enough to get a little bit of exposure. Nothing crazy. I just want to get a couple. So be on the lookout for that. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. I will have a more in-depth video next week for you. Again, I appreciate everything you guys have done and continue to watch me on this journey. And I cannot wait to see where we are when we make a year. So I will catch you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.